Have you ever wondered how to find inner peace in this fast-paced world? In today's bustling society, achieving a state of tranquility can seem like a Herculean task. But fear not, a solution exists, and it's closer than you might think. Welcome to the Zen Zone, your guide to mindful meditation. Meditation, a practice as old as time, is a simple yet profound method that has shown to have numerous benefits. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving focus and creativity, meditation can truly be a game changer. It's a journey, a process of unfolding, of discovering a calmer, happier version of oneself. In this video, we will guide you step by step on this path of self-discovery. We will explore techniques to center yourself, focus on your breath, observe your thoughts, and cultivate a sense of gratitude. So, are you ready to embark on a journey towards inner peace? Let's get started. The first step to a successful meditation practice is finding a quiet and comfortable space. It's the foundation upon which your mindfulness journey is built. It doesn't have to be an elaborate setup, just a spot where you feel safe and at ease, where distractions are minimized and tranquility takes the forefront. Consider a place where you can maintain a certain level of silence, as it helps create a soothing atmosphere for your mind to relax. It could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a quiet park. The key is to select a place where you can distance yourself from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a place that signals your brain it's time to unwind. Comfort is crucial. Choose a position that allows you to maintain a straight posture yet remain relaxed. You could sit on a cushion, a mat, or even a chair, as long as your back is straight and your body is comfortable. Remember, discomfort can be a distraction, and the goal is to lessen distractions, not add to them. Before you begin, take a moment to prepare yourself physically. Adjust your clothing if needed, ensure the temperature is suitable, and position yourself comfortably. Rest your hands gently on your lap and let your body settle. This is your time, your moment of peace, so make sure you're as comfortable as you can be. This space you're creating isn't just physical, it's mental too. It's a sanctuary where you can let go of your worries, your to-do lists, and your stress. It's a place where you can simply be, where you can connect with yourself and the present moment. So, as you sit in your chosen spot, take a deep breath, let your body relax, and prepare your mind for the journey inward. Remember, this is your space. It should be a place where you can relax and disconnect from the outside world. And as you cultivate this space, you're not just setting the stage for meditation, you're setting the stage for a calmer, more mindful life. Now, it's time to focus on your breath. This is where the magic of meditation truly begins. Your breath, something so simple yet incredibly powerful, is the key to unlocking a calm and focused mind. Let's start with the basics. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel the cool air as it enters, traveling down into your lungs. Allow your lungs to fill completely, expanding your chest and belly. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the warmth of the air as it leaves your body, releasing tension and stress as it goes. This is known as mindful breathing. It's not just about taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. It's about fully experiencing the sensation of breath. From the moment it enters your nostrils to the moment it exits your lips. It's about becoming acutely aware of the life force that sustains you moment by moment. As you continue to breathe deeply and mindfully, you might notice a shift in your state of mind. The whirlwind of thoughts that usually fills your mind might start to slow down, replaced by a sense of calm and clarity. This is the power of the breath. Breathing mindfully helps to quiet the mind and anchor you in the present moment. It allows you to step back from the constant chatter of your thoughts and just be. It's like taking a much-needed break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, giving your mind a chance to rest and rejuvenate. Remember, it's not about controlling your breath, but rather about observing it, experiencing it. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Let these observations guide you deeper into a state of relaxation and focus. With practice, you'll find that focusing on your breath can become a powerful tool for managing stress, calming anxiety, and promoting a sense of inner peace. It's a simple yet profound practice that you can incorporate into your daily life, anytime, anywhere. Breath is the bridge that connects life to consciousness and unites your body to your thoughts. So let's continue to explore this bridge and see where it leads us. As you meditate, thoughts may arise. This is perfectly normal. You might find your mind wandering off to a grocery list, a work project, or even a random memory from your childhood. It's important to understand that this is part of the process, and it's not something to resist or feel frustrated about. Think of your mind as a sky and your thoughts as clouds passing through. Some clouds are fluffy and light, others are stormy and heavy. Regardless of their nature, they all come and go. They don't define the sky. Similarly, your thoughts don't define you. They are merely visitors coming and going in the vast expanse of your mind. One of the most powerful aspects of mindfulness meditation is learning to observe your thoughts without judgment. Instead of getting entangled in the content of your thoughts, try to step back and become the observer. Notice the thought, acknowledge its presence, and then let it pass by without getting caught up in it. You might think of this as a sort of mental people watching. You're simply observing, not interacting or passing judgment. This might feel a bit challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. You'll start to notice patterns in your thoughts, and you might even find humor in some of the random things that your mind comes up with. Managing distractions is another key part of this process. You might hear a car pass by outside or feel an itch on your nose. Instead of allowing these distractions to pull you out of your meditation, simply acknowledge them as part of the experience and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, meditation is not about emptying your mind or stopping your thoughts. It's about developing a different relationship with them. It's about becoming more aware of your thoughts and learning to observe them without judgment or attachment. So the next time you find yourself getting lost in a thought during meditation, don't get frustrated. Instead, gently remind yourself, I am not my thoughts, I am the observer of my thoughts. And then, with kindness and patience, bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. And with that understanding, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Whenever you find yourself getting lost in thoughts, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This is a fundamental aspect of meditation practice. It's natural for our minds to wander, to get caught up in the whirlwind of thoughts, worries, and fantasies. But the beauty of meditation lies in the gentle act of bringing ourselves back, time and time again, to the present moment. The breath serves as an anchor in our meditation practice. It's always with us, a constant, rhythmic companion that brings us back to the here and now. So, when you find your mind drifting to the past or the future, redirect your focus to your breath. Feel the sensation of air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Each breath is a new opportunity, a fresh start to refocus and return to the present. This practice is more than just an exercise in concentration. It's about cultivating mindfulness, a quality of being fully engaged and present in our lives. When we meditate, we're not trying to escape our thoughts or our feelings. Instead, we're learning to be with them, to observe them without judgment or reaction. We're training our minds to stay present, even when it's difficult or uncomfortable. Mindfulness in meditation offers us a way to step off the relentless treadmill of thought and into a space of awareness and acceptance. It's in this space, free from the pull of the past and the push of the future, that we find a sense of peace and tranquility. And remember, it's okay if you get distracted. It's okay if your mind wanders. It's not about achieving a perfect state of focus, but about practicing the art of returning, of coming back to the present moment again and again. In the end, it's not about how many times you lose your focus, it's about how many times you bring your attention back. Every return is a victory, a step towards a calmer, more mindful self. So, keep practicing, keep returning to your breath, to this moment. In the present moment, there is a profound peace that can be tapped into. With each breath, with each return, you're stepping closer to that peace. A peace that's always there, always waiting, in the quiet space of the present moment. Now take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Gratitude is the cornerstone of a fulfilled, contented life. In the context of meditation, it's a powerful tool that can deepen your practice and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Gratitude, in its simplest form, is the practice of acknowledging and appreciating the good in your life. It's about focusing on what's going well, rather than dwelling on what's not. It's about cultivating an attitude of thankfulness for the big and small blessings that color your everyday existence. But how exactly do we cultivate gratitude in the midst of a meditation session? It's quite straightforward, really. As you sit comfortably with your eyes closed and your attention focused on your breath, begin to bring to mind the things that you're truly thankful for. It could be the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat, the serene quiet of your surroundings, or the soft cushion beneath you. It could be the love of your family, the companionship of a dear friend, or the simple joy of a good book. As these thoughts fill your consciousness, let yourself feel the warmth and positivity that they bring. Let this feeling of gratitude envelop you, permeating every cell of your body. Breathe it in and let it radiate outwards, infusing your meditation with a sense of peace and contentment. The beauty of gratitude is that it's not just beneficial during meditation. Its effects ripple out into your daily life. Studies have shown that regular practice of gratitude can significantly improve your mental health, fostering resilience, reducing stress, and promoting happiness. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can truly transform your outlook on life. So as you journey through your meditation practice, remember to cultivate gratitude. Let it be a beacon that guides you toward a more fulfilled, content life. After all, gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. It's now time to conclude your meditation. As we draw to the close of this session, it's important to take a few moments to transition smoothly from the state of meditation back to your day-to-day consciousness. You've dedicated this time to inner peace and mindfulness, and it's essential to end this session with the same intention and focus. Begin by slowly bringing your attention back to your physical presence in the room. Feel the surface beneath you, be it the softness of the cushion or the firmness of the floor. Notice the temperature of the room, the light filtering through your closed eyelids, the sounds from your surroundings. Now, take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Allow your gaze to softly focus on the room around you. Take a moment to observe your surroundings, to reconnect with the world. Next, let's incorporate gentle movement to awaken the body. You may want to start with a gentle stretch, reaching your arms above your head, extending your fingers towards the sky. Feel the stretch in your spine, your sides, and your arms. Then, slowly, bring your arms down, letting them rest gently on your lap. Roll your shoulders back a few times, releasing any residual tension. Then, turn your head gently from side to side, feeling the stretch in your neck. If you're seated on the floor, you might want to extend your legs out in front of you, flexing and pointing your toes. Always remember to listen to your body, moving gently and with kindness. As you reintegrate into your surroundings, carry this sense of calm and mindfulness with you. Let it infuse your actions, your words, your thoughts. This is the gift of meditation, the ability to bring a piece of that serenity into your everyday life. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and kind to yourself. This practice is about cultivating a relationship with your own mind, a relationship that is nurtured over time. Be gentle with yourself as you continue to explore this path. Congratulations on taking the first step towards inner peace. You've just embarked on a journey that has the potential to transform your life in beautiful ways. Remember, it's not about reaching some imagined state of perfection, but simply about being present and mindful in each moment. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered today. We began by finding a quiet and comfortable space, sitting in a relaxed position and centering ourselves. We then focused on our breath, taking deep breaths in through our nose and letting the air fill our lungs before exhaling slowly through our mouth. We learned to notice our thoughts without judgment, letting them come and go like clouds passing through the sky. We practiced returning our attention to the present moment, focusing on the sensation of each inhale and exhale. We cultivated a sense of gratitude, reflecting on the things we're thankful for. Finally, we ended our meditation with a gentle stretch or movement, expressing gratitude for the time we've dedicated to ourselves. Regular practice is key in meditation. It's perfectly normal for your mind to wander, but with patience and kindness towards yourself, you'll find it easier to return to your breath and stay present. Remember, even a few minutes a day can make a significant difference in your life. We hope that you found value in this guide and that it provided you with the tools to start your meditation practice. Meditation is a journey, not a destination, and every step you take brings you closer to a calm and peaceful mind. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more mindfulness tips and techniques. We're here to support you on your journey towards inner peace. Until next time, may your journey to a peaceful mind be filled with serenity and joy.